Welcome to the short tutorial on how to schedule pins to Pinterest using Loomly. To get started, you'll first need to connect your account to Loomly by heading to your calendar and then going to Calendar Settings. Once there, go to Social Accounts, and then scroll down to Pinterest. If you're already logged into a Pinterest account in your browser, then that will be the account that is connected to Loomly. If you would like to connect a new account, you can click on Reconnect, or you can remove the account and then connect a new one. Once you've connected your accounts, the next step is to create some posts. You can either select New Post or head to your library. If you already have an approved image or video, then go ahead and click Add to Selection, Create, and then New Post. Select the scheduled date and time, add in a subject, as well as a label for easy campaign tracking as part of your analytics or for wider categorization. Once you're done, click on Next, and then select Pinterest. And then choose which board that you'd like to post to. Once you're happy, click on Next, and then post your generic content. If you'd like to add a URL, make sure to uncheck Shorten URLs to make sure that your post goes through successfully. When it comes to adding media, you can browse from the library, upload from Unsplash, share from Giphy, upload from your desktop, as well as import from a URL. Currently, you can only share a single image or video at a time, and videos must be longer than 5 seconds. If you're happy with your selection, click on Next. If you added in a link in the previous step, then you'll be able to click Edit Link Metadata and double check that it's the correct link. You can also upload a cover image for any videos, and then click Done. Loomly also allows you to add in a title, which you can see updates live in the preview. And the last step is to check our post optimization tips for further guidance on how you can increase engagement. Once you're happy with all your updates, go ahead and click Next, and then you can save as a draft, submit for approval, or go ahead and schedule. If you have any questions, please click on our FAQ in the bottom right. Thanks for listening, and stay tuned for further updates soon.